Hi folks, Anthony.Salazar, Big Sal here from Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2017 Fleetwood Flair 31W. Nice pre-owned coach, great condition, really a lot of nice features, good floor plan, lots of room, a little overhead bunk. Let's go in and take a look at it. Okay, as you walk into the coach, to your right hand side you'll notice a really nice cockpit area. It even has a nice little doggy window down at the bottom on the passenger side. Great layout, lots of room, very comfortable. And then right above you is a bunk bed that pulls down, and you got an extra sleeping area. As we look over towards the kitchen, great counter space, lots of storage, nice 3-burner cooktop, big double sink, nice microwave up there, good size refrigerator, awesome dining area, nice little bench dining area, and then it has a couch as well. As you head towards the back of the coach, good sized bathroom, lots of closet space with a walk around bed, a nice big window in there, which is nice to get some cross breezes going through there when you're out camping or at your park, wherever you're staying. That's one of the nice things about this coach. It's got some nice big windows in it. It's got great views. Really a nice coach to get started with. Folks, if you like this coach or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323.